We're talking about piecewise and greatest integer functions, and we want to graph piecewise functions and write piecewise functions from a graph. So here we're working on the greatest integer function, which is a step function. And so when we graph this, we're doing basically we want to graph word round down. So we're always going to be rounding down. So we're going to have closed dots to the left. And as we go to the right, we'll have open dots on the right. That one's kind of hard to see. Probably should use a straight edge, but that would be really time consuming for this case. So there's the graph. And now we want to check the function f of x when we substitute in 3.1 in for x. So the function evaluated at 3.1. So we want to find, basically, we're substituting in 3.1, and we want to round down. So we go into 3.1 for x, 1, 2, 3.1. So there's 3.1. So what is the output value when x is equal to 3.1? The output value is 3. So we can label our axis so we're all sure here. Sure what our values are. So if we go over 3.1, then we go over 3. That's our output value. So that's going to be the point 3.1, comma 3. So our output value for this one would just be 3, or round down. 6.8 does not show up on our graph here, but what it says is we are substituting in the function 6.8, and so we substitute that in. But basically that's the round down function. So in this case, 6.8 gets rounded down to 6. The next one we come to is negative 2.0. So the function evaluated at negative 2. So if I go to negative 2 and I go down and I see that there's a closed dot at negative 2, so that gives me the point negative 2, comma negative 2. And the last one that we can look at, we have the function evaluated at negative 3.9. And remember, this is the round down function. So we go over here, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 3.9, and notice that we pass negative 3 right here because it's the round down function. So there is right there, negative 3.9. So our ordered pair for this one is going to be negative 3.9, comma negative 4. So for this one, our value is going to be negative 4. And I forgot to write this one down, but this one should be 2.